Hey, this is Kathy from Kathy Cooks For You, and welcome to my kitchen. Do you know what episode this is? Number 52. I did it. 5-2. I started January 1st with a goal. I was going to do 52 videos in 52 weeks, and this episode is the last one. For my last episode, I am making you my New Year's tradition. Every year we have this. What we have is smoked turkey leg with potatoes and greens and black-eyed peas. So let me get started on this last dish I'm going to show you for 2018. First, we are going to start with about 5 potatoes is what I cut up. You can do this in a 9x13, but I'm doing it in my Dutch oven. And then I have 3 cups black-eyed peas. Now the potatoes and the black-eyed peas are the only things that don't have any added flavor in them. So we are going to salt these bad boys. 5 finger pinch going once. We'll do two 5 finger pinches. That was probably a teaspoon. Some pepper to your liking, and then you're going to get yourself some Creole seasoning, and you're going to put, let me see what that is, 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning in there that also have salt. So if you want low salt, don't put the first batch of salt in. We're just going to mix this up so our black-eyed peas and our potatoes have some flavor now. Now we're going to put our greens in, our 2 cans of greens, and guys, I'm telling you, don't be afraid that these greens are from a can. They are so flavorful and have texture. They are not mushy at all. So we're going to put those in and just have those on top. And then we're going to kind of dig a hole because we've got our turkey leg. Now turkey legs are huge. This is going to feed 2 to 3 people. It could even feed 4 if you guys are light eaters. They're tough, so they have to cook a long time. That's the only thing with the turkey leg. So we're gonna make like a little hole for that turkey leg to go in. And we're just gonna nestle this bad boy in here. Nestle him down, push him in, and that's it. I'm telling you guys, this meal is a hit. So we're gonna put this in an oven of 325 and we're gonna put it in for, I'm going to say 3 hours. I will let you know when it's done if I go over 3 hours. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. Now, I must tell you, I cook mine in a Dutch oven, which tends to cook things a little faster than if you're cooking it in a 9x13. So what you want to make sure happens is that your turkey just comes off the bone easily. That is the main thing before you serve this. The turkey comes off the bone. Mine cooked at 325 for the first hour, and then I realized how quick it was cooking, and then I cooked it for 2 more hours at 275. Let's give this a try. My greens and a little bit of the black-eyed peas first. So much flavor. Let's get a little turkey in this bite. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me this year. And I just want to let you know that I hope you have an amazing 2019. Happy New Year.
Kathy cooks for me.
Kathy cooks for me.
Kathy cooks for me. No, Kathy cooked for me today.
Kathy cooks for me.
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 Kathy cooks for us.
Kathy cooks for me.
Kathy cooks for me.
Kathy cooks for us. Woo!
Kathy cooks for me.
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 Kathy cooks for us.
Kathy cooks for me. Kathy cooks for me.
Okay,
Continue watching her. I love her show. Thank you.
there you
All right.
go.